The all-electric Mini Cooper SE epitomizes emission-free urban driving pleasure, featuring 218 electrically generated horsepower and 330 Nm of torque. Sprinting from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.7 seconds, boasts zero emissions and a range of up to 402 km, thanks to its 54.2 kWh high-voltage battery. Available in the John Cooper Works trim shown here, this model showcases the brand's racing legacy, enhanced by the iconic JCW logo with a red, white, and black color scheme. Sporting a particularly athletic look, the Mini Cooper SE in JCW trim includes 18-inch wheels, red JCW brake calipers, and distinctive bonnet stripes. Inside, the JCW seats feature synthetic leather, red stitching, and multicolored knitted material, complemented by a black and red interior theme with checkered flag patterns.